Okay. So that's my email ID on Cloud9 in case.
Just a minute, I'll give you mine. I'm not able to send any messages. You received my ID?
You could alternately send your
Hello?
ID. I can add you in my Cloud9 and send you the link. Yeah.
Yeah. You got it, right?
Yes. Okay. And
Just a minute. I'll be back. Can you see my screen now?
no, I can't see your screen. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, I think your screen share is off. I think it just started now, probably. Yeah. I shared my Cloud9 URL with,
Now?
and I've added you.
Oh, yeah. Action.
Are you able to access it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I.
It's all that.
Are you able to access the editor? I don't see your cursor. That's why. I don't see you online yet on Cloud9. Yeah. Okay. Can you hear me? Yeah. I see you there now. Okay. Are you able to access it?
Yeah, I can. You see my screen?
Your screen. Okay. Yeah, I can see your screen. I can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we begin?
Okay. So let's get started. Yeah. So we got to start the auto test. I think I'm not in the directory. Sorry about that. Okay, there you go. So so we started the auto test, and uh, so there are 18 tests
Oh yeah.
samples, and we have to do 17 are still pending. So we'll start off backtracking with the spec file and see what we have to do the first one. Okay. Suchit, can you hear me? I'm not sure if you're able to hear me.
Oh yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay.
And the connection is a bit unreliable here. I'm sorry
Oh,
for that. I've
that's okay.
interrupted a few times.
Yeah. So so I'm going to take this out pending, and the auto test would run again. And oh, well, it didn't fail yet.
Okay. Um,
I don't know why it didn't fail. Let's. Okay. All right. So
I have some failures there.
so we so the first thing that we have to do is we have a I'm going to just shut this. Yeah. We have to have a method called guess. So let's start
Okay.
off with that. accepts a letter.
Okay. And checks if the letter is there in already. Say you want to check for invalid conditions, right? Hello?
Yeah, sorry, your voice just cracked up. Sorry.
Hello?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So
It takes it should also take a letters already guessed, right?
yeah, it should have the
Because you had to
list of
check if
letters,
the
right, which have been guessed already, and
although yeah, yeah, you have guesses, attribute accessor guesses. Yeah.
yeah,
If the letter is in guesses, then say invalid. You're not incrementing the number of turns.
right, right. So first, do we check if the letter is valid? What does the first failure say? Okay, guest list. Okay,
We can it's alphabet or not. You can do it A to Z.
okay, yeah. We
Hello?
can check for that. The first thing we could check is if the letter, um, if the letter is an A to Z.
Yeah. It can be caps or small. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
So
so we'll
you
ignore.
can have. Hmm?
We'll ignore the case.
No, no, no. Like, okay, you're
Like
checking
that,
for invalid conditions, right? Yeah, then it's fine. If the letter is
and
from
it's
A to Z,
followed by.
then yeah,
That's good.
looks good.
Okay. So if that's happening,
And
then our valid becomes true.
just wait a minute.
Yeah, sure.
What does it say? If the letter is not Z, right?
Yeah,
This caret symbol will say not. This one. Hello?
yeah,
Yeah, but if the letter should be valid, then you should remove that symbol, right? Because it says not A to Z.
right, right.
Add it to the list of guesses.
So,
Correct guess list. Once the
yeah,
guess is valid, you
go to
have
the
to add it
guest
to the list.
list. Do you want to take the
Yeah.
lead in that?
Sorry. Like, just a minute. Let me read the specification.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not in here. Hello.
So the guest list, which means guesses has to change once the user uh, guesses a letter. So we have to add it to the guest list.
I'm typing in chat.
Okay.
You have something called guesses, right?
Yeah.
Guesses, and it's not just this one. You also have to add to add the consonant and then it would be invalid.
Yeah, I'm losing your voice in between. I'm so sorry. Suchit, are you there?
Same here. Same
Yeah,
here.
I'm just losing your voice in between, so I'm not able to coordinate well. Um, all right, so yeah, what I was saying is, as the spec says, guessing correctly changes the correct guess list. Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. A lot of interruptions. Are you able to hear me now?
Sorry.
Yeah. Uh, Let me just check. Okay. So, can we add? Can we add the letter to guest list?
You want me to guess this list
Guest list
like this?
and change.
Letter like this. And
So,
change it.
so what I was thinking is if we check if it's valid. Uh, so if it's valid, um, then can we, if it's valid and if it is, if the letter is already in the guess in the word, which means that it is which means that it is a uh, correct guess. So we
Okay,
add it to
valid
the guess
and
list, right? Um,
it's in wrong guess.
that's right. Appending. That's right. Uh,
Yeah, you can append. No problem.
okay. So what I'm saying is we check in the word if uh, if the letter is part of the word, which means it's a correct guess, then we add it to the um, guesses. Otherwise, it goes to the list of wrong guesses. We have another collection for that. Okay. You need not check the character of the given letter as a letter. Yeah, yeah, I guess we have to check. Yeah. So we'll have to check that. And so now we are at a state where we added uh, if the guess is correct to the guesses collection. If it's the letter is not present in the word, then it goes to the wrong guesses collection. Hmm. And this is the end. Okay. So see what's happening with the test. Well, it still gives the. Then you can check if the letter is already there in the. Okay. Yes. Yes. So we'll check that. Sure. Okay. Yeah, we don't need another loop for that. Yeah, we could just add it there. That's true. I'm not able to hear you. I hope it's on the recording. Okay, great. So yeah, so we got rid of that. So guesses is guesses plus letter. Okay, but didn't we just push it to? Oh, you did take it out. Okay, I see that. Um, okay. All right. Yeah, I get that. Now we check if guessing correctly returns true. So it's not able to yet return
Is also
true if it is.
fine if the letter that's also fine. Oh wait, you want that?
Yeah, because we need to return a boolean.
Okay. Sure. I can just
Yeah.
if at valid, then we can simply add to How do you check if it's
So what I was thinking is this. Oh,
yeah,
you what
got it, got it,
you
got it,
just
got it.
said you added the uh, letter to the
Yes.
uh, guesses collection, right? So, uh, yeah,
Yeah. Makes sense now.
okay.
So
Got
we
a
have,
return valid. So,
yeah, fine.
yeah, this is saved now. I think.
Yeah, I saved it.
Okay. So guessing correctly returns true. Correctly changes around this. And that's not happening. Okay. So we have to also check if the letter is repeatedly entered. It doesn't change the correct list. So, okay. So
Uh,
here, probably
so
we
did
have to have, you know, check in the
tests.
guesses and the wrong guesses collection. If the letter if the letter is already
So,
been guessed, then we have to return false.
oh yeah, this part of the code takes care of it. See,
Yeah. So we can
so
do it here
shouldn't I
too.
include this one? Should I take this out?
Um, wrong guesses or yeah. I guess it's not because able to return it there and then.
Uh, okay, should we parenthesize or something for
Uh,
safety? That's my best.
yeah.
Last one had a lot of problem.
So
Okay,
guesses is the letter and wrong guesses. I guess it's not able to ignore the case also. Just we'll just downcase it both, mm, and then check.
which one? Sorry, I didn't get that.
Yeah, what I was saying is if we
Okay, if we
let's just put this as one. Like what I mean to say is if we have maybe I'll just comment this.
okay, sure.
Uh,
Try to comment all this block, I guess. It will
no,
result
I
in
just
syntax.
guess only that line is.
Okay. So you're writing your own. Sure. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, you missed at, I guess. You missed an
I
at.
guess we can use just by itself also the instance variable. It won't
Uh,
filter if it does
really?
change. I believe so.
So
I
your
don't. I
content
mean, are you
stay
new to Ruby?
away. Hello?
Hello. Yeah. So what I was saying is if we just ignore the case over here
Yeah.
and check it together for
Got it. Material dot down case. Fine.
oh it's not able to do anything. Okay. Hmm.
Oh man,
Okay.
still we have problem
Yeah. Uh
guessing correctly returns. At least we pass a few tests, right?
I think that we will have to okay. We're checking this first if it's a letter. valid. And we are checking this before we know that it's valid. You know what I'm trying to say? Um,
Sorry, I didn't get that.
yeah. See, we checked if it's a letter here, right? And if it is true, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
makes sense. Um, then yeah, is this true? Okay, so let's just go again to the specs and see what's happening here. Okay, correctly.
Uh,
So we are here correctly. Returns true.
yeah.
So once the letter A is given out, that means it's valid is true, which we are checking. So for us, this should return true. So why it's not
Okay.
returning?
It
Let's try to
complete.
sort of dry run and see. So it should return true for the first case, right?
Hey, I guess false else true. Sure. Okay.
Yeah. I just want to stop the auto run for a while and run the Ruby code.
How about putting X and trying here? See? How about putting X and trying here?
Yeah, I mean, we could try, of course. Yeah.
No, not working.
No, we can, sure. I mean,
Maybe. Look, let's come from specification. Okay.
yeah. Let's
We
create an object and see over here, the one that we have.
okay, like we take a letter
Yeah,
uh, and then check if it is already guessed, right?
right. So I was
It's
thinking that
insensitive.
we'll just dry run this and see what happens in our code.
Okay, let's do that. Just Barkley valid game. Yeah, let's go ahead with that.
So it is returning true, see? Uh,
Obviously, it should return true because you
yeah,
have assigned
then
it to true
why
here.
is it failing the test? It's not able to
Okay,
pass this test.
okay, okay. Let's come from the beginning again. So
You
only
know what?
letters are allowed,
Now
right?
let's put this in the last spot and see. Maybe it's changing the value in between. Hmm. I'm gonna put it here.
Uh,
Yeah, it's returning true. So I mean, this one is failing. Okay, let's do our spec again manually. Let's see. See, it's still failing this. It's what I'm wondering. What happened to this?
printing a lot of truths and takes a parameter and returns a hang person object correctly, changes changes correct guess list. Fine. 18 examples, 7 failures. Hang person guessing correctly returns true. Hang person.
Yes,
Where
sir.
is that test?
This test, right? The first one is what it's sort of bothering me. This one. Uh, this is the one that we're feeling, which is, I mean, which has no actually, it is passing when we try to run it by ourselves.
Okay, line number 32 returns true. Expect it valid not to be false. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Can hear me, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Now, look, I think we
How
messed up
about
somewhere. So let's start from the beginning itself, from specifications. What we actually want. Are we really here? Hello?
yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Just a minute. How about guessing, say, something like capital A? Capital A. Could you please run that now? Let me run it. Yeah, it's still a valid letter. It's
I
fine.
know. Yeah.
How about giving 0, false? What's happening?
Yeah, I mean, it's doing all right. Uh,
Funny, isn't it?
should we do one thing? I mean, I don't know. You vote for it if you don't feel up to it. I was thinking if we take out all these pending and see, what's happening.
All these pending
It's
tests.
different.
These stuffs? 9 pending these stuffs?
Yeah, all the pendings, if we just take it out, like this one.
Okay, fine. So you're changing the test too.
Yeah, because this one is pending, and
Oh, you should have commented it. Never mind. It just fails.
yeah. Okay, let's. Okay, you know what? I just want to see something. Okay, if it's not a valid, then there's no point checking. That's right.
I think we are performing validation.
Okay. I'm just going to try to take that. No change. So did we just not get an
It
error?
also failed this case insensitive thing. Sorry?
Did we just not? I mean, did this pass actually correctly? We don't see
Sorry?
correctly, right?
No, I don't see anything.
Yeah. Now the
I only
first
see
one
some
that
stuff.
fails is
Right.
incorrect. So we are here
Yeah,
now.
first one got
Incorrect.
line 41. Changes wrong guest list
Yeah, this is what we are
pending.
feeling. So we are okay with this.
Yeah,
Okay, so let's come to this.
How about printing words? How about this one? You can try this, right?
Yeah. So we are over here now incorrectly. So I'm just going to uh, take the pending out of that and see what happens. Okay.
Oh yeah, we cleared one more.
Yeah. Guessing same.
Next up to 54.
Now we are here.
Guessing same letter.
Same letter repeatedly.
Yeah, same
Change.
letter.
Correct. Guess. Correct.
Does
Same letter.
not change correct guest list and does
This
not
one.
change wrong guest list.
Are we here now? Does not change, right? Okay. I'm just going to
And
take this
let's
out.
take out pending.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. So we haven't done this part, the raising the error. So let's do that now. So I'm going to just take this out, these pendings.
Oh yeah.
This is all
Shall
checking
we move on to the
as
next
well.
one?
So let's do this in a bunch together. Okay.
Sorry, over here.
Let's go. Okay. No, we need to check um, empty and raise error.
Sorry, which error? Empty?
You need to check the So this throws an error when it's empty, throws an error when a
Uh,
letter is not a letter, and it throws error when it's nil. So let's get to that. So so when it's false, it should raise an error, right? So raise argument.
so you want to raise an exception.
Yeah, and here too. Hmm, that should be good, right? Should we check now? Okay. What went wrong? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, sorry. It has to be here. How about we just check over here, okay? If it's
Yeah, we could have done that
here,
here. But okay,
yeah, we
that's
could do that,
fine.
right?
It's
Instead
fine.
of raising it here, or
Okay,
why don't
let's
we check over here? We are checking for valid, so we could do it here.
just a minute. Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Okay, fine.
Should we check?
If
Okay.
I'll take this out, and if
Yeah,
valid,
let's take this out. The one that we had put it for.
if it's not valid, then raise argument error. That's the end.
That's right.
Don't one
Yeah.
because it will reach there only. Oh my, either. And like this, like
If not valid, we'll end. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
shall
Yeah,
I
should
do
check.
auto test? Shall I do auto test?
Sure. I think it just missed out the auto word. Did it work? What happened? We're back to this? Oh, I guess because we changed the order. Yeah, so we failed these tests again.
Just a
Because
minute.
this one was inside valid, I guess. But if
Uh,
it's not, then only if it is valid it will reach this block. So let's see. Oh, that's okay. Let's see what went wrong while we tried to raise the error. So it's doing as what it was, and then we added this. So if it's not valid, then we raise the exception and we come here. Let's go to the specs and see that. Yeah, so it should throw an error when it's not a letter. That means if it's invalid, that means or it if it is empty or nil. So we aren't checking for that yet. How about do you want to take this out and see if it's working? I'm just going to comment this. Um, let's comment uh, the new edition and it- yes, it. So we had an if valid here, right? Did we do something wrong?
are we throwing an exception somewhere?
Okay, so if it's
oh.
do we have an end for this? No, right? You need an end over here.
We're
Right?
returning a value valid. You should always get true.
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. Just go through the
So this is the class. This is
guessing.
there has to be an end to the method.
Okay.
We don't have an end over here, right?
No, this has an end here, and this block, and this one is the end of the class.
Yeah. This is not properly indented. Is the problem.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
got it. Yeah. Uh, okay, we have to throw exceptions only in 3 seconds.
Yeah.
Is here.
If it's empty, so we aren't even checking actually, and we should check if why don't we club it together, like yeah,
Yeah, let's.
change if state.
I think it's 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. You're just trying to raise it for email. Okay. We'll refactor it later.
This is not going to
Yeah. Okay.
No failures.
So can we give this here instead of uh,
What it's according to that. And if it is
club
A to Z, then you have to raise another error.
let's check
Yeah, that was
and valid.
no
Check for the
failures. I think we are good to go now. Good to move
like here.
on. See, yeah, and see, just a minute.
So can I do it?
What?
Refactor. Can I try to refactor that? Just clubbing this together.
Uh,
Yes. Um,
No, no, no. Let's not touch that. Let's not touch that.
oh,
Let's
really?
keep that separate.
Okay.
Yeah, let's keep that and be illegal. So let's not make that if condition big and
Okay. Okay.
oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's move on. What's the next task?
So, so it has to be returning false in case it's empty or nil. That's why I was thinking if we give it here in this check
Uh,
would
oh, no, 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 no. See, that's over. It does. That's control just goes out. That's all. So I don't think you need to return some value or something. See, when
okay.
when this line
Do
gets
we
over,
so should
it
we proceed to the next one? Should we proceed to this one?
control goes out of this function. So
Do you want to go to this one? Okay. Okay. So this one, what is it doing? Well, we need to have
displayed word with guesses.
display the word with guesses. Okay.
I think shall I take this one?
Sure.
What's so? What's the method? So
So we need a method with
we have to build a
several
string.
letters. This is what we need. Get several letters. Um, which works.
Hello.
Yeah. I think they've given it in the start. I just saw the specs that they have a definition over here. Should we include that in the
Word guess.
should we include this one in the in the Ruby code?
So word with guesses. I think it's you take a game and guesses. I think since we are including it in classes, we don't. So all we need to do is to build this one word with guesses,
Okay.
right?
Right.
So the thing is, you go through the list of correct guesses.
Yeah.
Sorry, we are going through each letter in the word,
Right.
if that letter is present in the list of correct guesses,
Yeah, then we replace it
then
with
we are writing it.
those letters.
Yeah. Then we are showing the word. Otherwise, dash, right?
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
What should be the method, by the way?
And it is taking
It's
and it is taking like the
no parameter.
collection. Um, so we have to iterate through each of the.
Yeah. I got it. So we have a def without a parameter, like this. You have the so we have I in range length. I think we can't iterate over Ruby strings, right? Hello?
We
I
can.
think we can't. We can.
You can use for each and give a block.
Oh yeah. Or is it like this? Word dot guess, word dot each, like this?
Yeah, word dot each
Yeah, you
followed by the block that you.
do. And if
So if
then
the letter is in, yeah, it's the part of guesses, then we have
you
okay.
have it. Dash.
Otherwise you push a dash, right? Okay.
Oh yeah, and yeah.
I think we'll have to take out the pending probably.
You can see that.
Yeah, let's just take this all out. No, this is a different one. That's okay.
Which one? 16.
No, actually, because of the smaller, screen, not able to see what happened.
Yeah, let's
Let's
take
take
some.
out all of them now so that we know where we are.
Which
All
one?
these pending, so that it
One pen.
fails and we know which is the next one to go about.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead.
All right.
Okay, so displayed word with guesses should be NN and this R B N. Displayed with word guesses. Displayed with word. Uh,
Okay. This word.
we are
Like
here.
this.
This is the one that failed. Right?
What's the method name? It's given as word with guesses.
Word with guess.
Yeah, it's just that, nothing else.
Expect to be displayed.
Failed example. Let's check out why it failed.
Okay.
Displayed word with guesses. When an hang person game spectre will be
Uh,
some
Substitute.
1:3:1. What is that?
Okay. Okay. I was just going through the string. Just gonna comment it here. I was going through the string class, and I saw a method called gsub, which which accepts arguments, which is the string with the uh,
Okay.
original and the pattern, the replacement pattern.
Okay. I'm checking out that method now.
So if we could use that.
Yeah. Jeez.
So we have the word, right? The word, and we can use the substitute on that, and we have the pattern. Um, Pattern of
All the letters in
guesses, right?
guesses.
We have a pattern of guesses. We have to use the formatter for that. Oh, what happened? Yeah.
I just took out is equal to and that's all.
Okay. Yeah, so we have to use a formatter for this, right? Because it's a parameter. We'll have to use the formatter. It's a formatter because it's a variable. And yes, we ignore the case again. And this is the pattern we want. So if it's not in the guess, then we want it to be substituted by dash. So we'll have to invert the
Yes.
choice, which means we have to give a caret here. Uh, can this work? Ah, okay, so we did clear that, but it's not accepting if there was none of the guess was the letter was not present in the word at all. So we have to consider the scenario where the word could be completely
Yeah.
the letter could be completely absent from the word. Hmm. So we can just include in the pattern to check if also. Okay, so we are at game status, the next one now.
So we passed it.
Yeah, we passed that.
Okay, all letters are guessed. Okay, fine. We have to check if this word with guesses includes dash or not. If it doesn't, then we win. That's all.
Okay, so let's check.
Hello?
Yeah, I was just looking at the spec
And we should
again.
also take care that wrong, yeah, the length of wrong guesses is less than 7 for victory.
Right. So we need a method now, right? Which uh, is going
Oh
to
yeah, check, yeah, check,
going to
win or
check if
lose, and it
if
has
it's a win
to,
or a loss. So what the method name is this check. And
yeah, and it also return a symbol. Okay, check, win or lose. What parameters it takes? I think, oh yeah, no need to take any parameter.
no, you just have to
Okay, let's go.
you just have to check if the word guesses length.
If
Sorry, the wrong guesses dot length is
this is dot length
correct.
is 7,
Yeah.
then otherwise, if you have word guesses, right?
No, I think it's okay. Mm, right. Word with
Fine.
yeah. Okay, let's check on that. Um, so and yeah, let's try that. If it's saved.
Hello?
Yay, it's all done. Oh,
Hello?
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, all done.
Yeah,
Wow. To use Sinatra, right?
right. Just wondering if we could just refactor a bit of this code so that we have fewer lines.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we have this first if. So let's say we return lose if the wrong guess's length is 7. We return win, and this word with yeah. So we have a few lines, a more rubish way, returning lose if the length of wrong guess is 7, returning true unless the word
Yeah,
include a dash, and in case if these two are
yeah,
not, we just have the play that is written.
yeah, right. And what about this guess method? Should we refactor it?
Sorry, I didn't get it. Can't hear.
Guess method?
Can you type and say that? I am not able to hear you. Yeah. Okay, let's continue tomorrow. We are done with part 1. We have successfully managed to uh, have all the examples passed the auto test and have 0 failures. And it concludes the part 1. Yeah, so it's afternoon for me. All right. Okay, Suji. Nice pair programming with you, and let's meet again soon. Okay.